Alright guys, let's solve this very interesting exponential equation quickly. It says 2 raised to power 4 plus x is equal to x raised to power x. How do I solve this? Okay, and the first thing to do here is to expand this. So I can say 2 raised to power 4 times 2 raised to power x is equal to x raised to power x. Now, if I divide both sides by 2 raised to power x, so I divide this side by 2 raised to power x, I'm going to have 2 raised to power 4 to be equal to x over 2 all raised to power x. Now let me do something else here. Let me divide both sides by 2, both powers by 2 rather. So I'm going to have 2 raised to power 4 over 2 is equal to x over 2 all raised to power x over 2. Therefore this gives me 2 raised to power 2 and is equal to x over 2 all raised to power x over 2. From this place you can see now that I have x over 2 which is basically one thing, and another x over 2 which is basically one thing, and here I have 2 and 2 and both of them are the same and both of these are the same. Hence I can conclude that x over 2 is equal to 2, which implies that x is equal to 4, and this is the answer to this question.